without wasting more time, I'll pick it up from where Senior Counsel has left. My name is Apollo Mboya. I am on record for the fifth respondent. Your Ladyship and my lords, the actions of the chairman of the Electoral Commission can be evaluated using several instruments. And I believe the first instrument that we need to use in examining the whole issues that are before this court is the oath that the commissioners take. The oath is in the third schedule of the IEBC Act, so that for every action we juxtapose that oath to those actions, so that we test if the actions meet the tenets of that oath. And permit me to read what that oath says, and it's taken by all the commissioners. It states, I, then they say their name, having been appointed chairperson or member, as it can be, of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, do solemnly swear that I will at all times obey, respect, and uphold the Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic of Kenya. That is the oath they take. That I will faithfully and fully, impartially, and to the best of my ability discharge that trust and perform the functions and exercise the powers devolving upon me by virtue of the appointment without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, or prejudice. That is the promise that they are giving to the people of Kenya and to the whole world. Now, for every action that the chairman did, which I'll not go into because this particular affidavit of the fifth respondent has been cross-referenced by my other senior counsel and also learned colleagues who spoke before me. We juxtapose those actions against that oath that they took. So, for example, if we are talking about issuing a gazette notice, you look at that gazette notice with the law, then juxtapose it to the oath, if it meets that promise that they gave. Your Ladyship and my lords, the fifth respondent is now affectionately called Opaque. Affectionately. I say that because arising out of what transpired at the National Tallying Center, the four issued a statement in which they said they cannot own the results that were going to be announced by the chairman, and therefore they were opaque. Your Ladyship and my lords, that term opaque is not coming from the ordinary. It's a term that was given by the Court of Appeal when they were making a decision in another matter which is now famous here called the Maina Kiai matter, which when they were looking at the role of the chairman vis-a-vis the other commissioners. And the court did indicate that to suggest that one individual alone can tally and verify the votes for presidential election is to suggest otherwise, to introduce opaqueness and arbitrariness to the electoral process.